Hello everyone! In the previous video, I showed you how to back up your virtual machines before uninstalling VMware Fusion from macOS. Today, we'll continue with the next step, restoring those virtual machines using VMware Fusion Pro. If you've already uninstalled VMware Fusion Pro, you'll need to reinstall the application. You can check out the previous video on my channel to learn how to download and install VMware Fusion Pro on macOS. I've included the link in the description below. Make sure you have the backed up virtual machine file ready. This file typically has a .vm or .revm extension and is saved in the folder or external drive you used for backup. Copy the virtual machine file to the Virtual Machines folder. This folder is used to manage your virtual machines and is created automatically during the VMware Fusion installation. By default, it's located in the /users/your username directory. Open VMware Fusion Pro. On the main interface, click the plus icon in the top left corner and select Scan. The virtual machine you just copied will be added to the virtual machine library. Right-click on it and select Startup to launch the virtual machine as usual. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.